What's up everyone, it's Quinn here, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI tools specifically designed for Java developers. We're talking about the tools that are changing the game, making coding smarter, faster, and dare I say more enjoyable. Join me as I dive into the world of AI tools that every Java developer needs to know and see if I can master them all in one video. Now, if you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for that next level tech that can give you an edge in the coding arena. Java developers, let's face it, we're constantly looking for ways to enhance our productivity and streamline our workflows, and that's exactly where AI tools come in. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to take you through 5 powerful tools that I think every Java developer should have in their arsenal. We're talking about everything from AI-powered code completion that seems almost telepathic to debugging tools that feel like having a second pair of eyes on your code, and much more. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get right into it. First up is CodeCompletion.ai, and let me tell you, this one really blew my mind. Now, we've all used code completion tools before, right? But CodeCompletion.ai takes it to a whole new level. It's like having a super intelligent coding buddy looking over your shoulder, whispering suggestions in your ear, but instead of a buddy, it's a powerful AI engine trained on a massive data set of open source code. What sets CodeCompletion.ai apart is its uncanny ability to predict what you're going to type next, and I'm not just talking about basic syntax here. This thing understands context. It knows the libraries you're using, the variables you've declared, and even the coding conventions you prefer. It's like it can read your mind, and it's incredibly accurate. But here's the best part. CodeCompletion.ai integrates seamlessly with all the popular IDEs, so you don't have to disrupt your workflow to use it. It's just there, working its magic in the background, making you a coding ninja without breaking a sweat. I was able to set it up in my IntelliJ IDEA environment in minutes, and the learning curve was incredibly low. In the past, I've been hesitant to rely too heavily on code completion tools. They often felt clunky, intrusive, and sometimes even slowed me down. But CodeCompletion.ai is different. It's unobtrusive, intuitive, and it just gets me. It's helped me code faster with fewer errors, and it's even taught me a few new tricks along the way. Next up, we've got DeepCode, and this one's all about quality assurance. Now, we all know how crucial code review is, right? It's the process that separates the buggy messes from the clean, maintainable code bases we all strive for. But let's be honest, code reviews can be tedious, time-consuming, and sometimes even a little soul-crushing, especially when you're on the receiving end of a particularly harsh critique. That's where DeepCode comes in. Think of it as your AI-powered code review buddy. But instead of giving you a hard time about your variable names, it's using advanced static analysis and machine learning to identify potential bugs, vulnerabilities, and even performance bottlenecks before they become major headaches. And the beauty of DeepCode is that it doesn't just point out problems, it also suggests solutions. It's like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder, guiding you towards cleaner, more efficient, and more secure code. And the best part, DeepCode is free for open source projects. I've integrated DeepCode into my GitHub workflow, and I have to say it's been a game changer. It's caught errors that I know I would have missed, and it's helped me write more robust and secure code. It's like having an extra layer of safety net, which, let's be honest, is never a bad thing when you're dealing with code. So we've all been there, right? Staring at a wall of code, trying to figure out why it's not behaving the way it should. You're knee-deep in breakpoints, logs are scrolling by faster than you can read them, and you're starting to question your sanity. Debugging is an inevitable part of the software development lifecycle, but it doesn't have to be a soul-crushing experience. Enter CodeHeat, the AI-powered debugging tool that's here to make your life a whole lot easier. Now, CodeHeat is different from traditional debuggers. Instead of just stepping through your code line by line, CodeHeat uses machine learning to analyze your code base, identify potential problem areas, and provide you with personalized feedback and recommendations. It's like having an AI-powered detective on your team, helping you track down those elusive bugs that have been plaguing your code. CodeHeat can identify performance bottlenecks, pinpoint memory leaks, and even suggest code optimizations to make your applications run smoother and faster. I recently used CodeHeat on a particularly challenging project, and I have to say it was a lifesaver. It helped me identify and fix a memory leak that I'd been struggling with for days. and it even suggested some code optimizations that significantly improved the performance of my application. All right, let's talk about JHipster, the AI-powered code generator that's about to become your new best friend, especially if you're building web applications with Spring Boot. Now, we all know that setting up a new project can be a bit of a drag. You've got to configure your build tools, choose your dependencies, set up your database, and before you know it, you've spent hours on boilerplate code before you've even written a single line of business logic. JHipster comes to the rescue by leveraging the power of AI and a massive dataset of open-source code to generate a fully functional Spring Boot application tailored to your specific needs. You just answer a few questions about your project, like what kind of database you want to use, whether you need authentication, and boom, JHipster spits out a production-ready code base that you can immediately start building on. But JHipster isn't just about saving you time and effort, it's also about promoting best practices and ensuring that your applications are built on a solid foundation. The code generated by JHipster is clean, well-documented, and follows industry standards, so you can be confident that you're starting off on the right foot. I've been using JHipster for a while now, and I have to say it's been a game changer. It's allowed me to get new projects up and running in a fraction of the time it used to take me, and it's given me more time to focus on the things that really matter, building awesome features and delivering value to users. Last but not least, we have Kite, and this one's all about boosting your coding speed and efficiency. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another code completion tool? But trust me, Kite is different. It's more than just a pretty interface. It's a powerful AI engine that learns your coding style and helps you write better code faster. One of the things that sets Kite apart is its deep integration with popular IDEs. It's not just a separate tool that you have to switch back and forth from. It's right there in your coding environment, providing intelligent suggestions and completions as you type. But Kite is more than just a code completion tool. It also offers advanced features like code documentation, lookup, function signature help, and even code examples from real-world projects. It's like having a comprehensive coding encyclopedia right at your fingertips. I've been using Kite for a while now, and I have to say, it's become an indispensable part of my workflow. It's helped me reduce my coding time significantly, and it's made me a more efficient and productive developer overall. In fact, I'd say that Kite has helped me reduce my coding time by at least 30%, and that's not an exaggeration. So, what's the takeaway? AI tools are here to stay, and they're revolutionizing the way we build software. From code completion to debugging and optimization, these tools can help you streamline your workflow, enhance your productivity, and build innovative software faster than ever before. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the mind-blowing accuracy of CodeCompletion.ai to the time-saving magic of JHipster. These are just a few examples of the incredible AI tools that are available to Java developers today. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more powerful and innovative tools emerge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in software development. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite AI tool for Java development? And don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights on development trends and innovation. Until next time, keep coding, keep innovating, and keep pushing the limits of what's possible.